Hey guys, this is Simran from ClearTax and today I'll be talking everything about getting an instant loan on Aadhaar card, from its benefits to features to eligibility and the process. But before we begin, do not forget to press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. So let's begin. Before the advent of Aadhaar card, people had to furnish many documents for address and identity proof. It used to result in confusion as more often than not there were discrepancies in the name or address. As a result, borrowers had to contend with delays in personal loan approvals. But today, an Aadhaar card not only proves citizenship, but it also helps borrowers access loans, open bank accounts, get a new PAN card or a SIM card, and file their ITRs. This all-encompassing document has transformed the financial services industry and allowed borrowers from all walks of life to approach financial institutions directly without going through a middleman. It is necessary for banks to request their customers to furnish KYC documents. Before Aadhaar card, KYC verification was a manual task requiring customers to submit the required proof and documents. However, now banks use eKYC. As a result, you can get access not only to different types of personal loans but also other financial services. KYC details of customers are crucial for all lenders. Instant loan providers ask borrowers to submit or upload a copy of their Aadhaar card for KYC as identification and address proof. This is the reason why Aadhaar card can help you get an instant loan easily. You can simply log into the website or app of the instant loan providers and upload Aadhaar card as KYC proof to apply for a loan on Aadhaar card quickly and easily without the hassle of a long documentation process. Earlier, you had to submit a plethora of documents to apply for a personal loan. However, with the advent of Aadhaar card and digitalization, now you can easily apply for a personal loan on Aadhaar card only by showing your Aadhaar card as KYC proof. This single document is accepted by most of the banks and NBFCs nowadays as a proof of identity, address, citizenship and birth. Step 1. Visit the official website of your lender or any aggregator website. Step 2. Visit personal loan page and fill the complete form. Step 3. Loan specialist will call you shortly to verify all the details. Step 4. Upload Aadhaar card and other documents to complete the process. Step 5. After document verification, you will receive a loan approval. And Step 6. The loan will be disbursed within 24 hours after approval. Minimum rupees 10,000 to 50 lakh loan on Aadhaar card can be availed. Personal loan interest rates start from 10.50% per annum for private lenders and 8.35% per annum for public sector banks. Usually, personal loan repayment tenure varies between 1 to 5 years. However, some banks may provide tenure of up to 72 months. Processing fee, that is up to 2% of the sanctioned amount for an Aadhaar card loan. Prepayment charges up to 4% of the outstanding loan amount. Depending on each lender's process, the turnaround time of an Aadhaar card personal loan may vary between a few hours up to a few days. Some mobile-based apps also disperse the loan amount within a few minutes. Easy access to loans and other financial services as service providers ask their customers for know your customer documentation, and Aadhaar is the best way to prove your identity and citizenship. Second, single document for multiple proofs like citizenship, address, age, photo and identity. Third, the card can also be used for eKYC, that is online verification. Fourth, application process gets simplified and fast. And fifth, at times you don't even have to provide the copy of Aadhaar card, only the 12-digit UID number is enough. The applicant must be minimum 21 years old when applying for the loan and maximum up to 60 years at loan maturity. Second, to be eligible for an Aadhaar card personal loan, your credit score must be 750 or above. Third, the minimum net monthly income required to apply for the loan is Rs 25,000. Fourth, you must have total work experience of minimum 2 years and at least 1 year of experience with the current organization. And fifth, you must be residing in your current residence for at least 1 year. Thanks to the digitization and introduction of Aadhaar card, It has become easier than ever to apply for a personal loan. Since the Aadhaar contains the necessary information like your name, age, and permanent address, it allows banks to verify it quickly against the details they have with them. It ensures you get personal loan approval quicker so that you can meet your financial obligation. Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video and comment below if you have any doubts. We will try to reply to it as soon as we can. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.